When it comes to the quality of your air, a lot goes into keeping contaminants out. Featuring 360 degrees of filtration, a noise-reducing shock pad, and a powerful, energy-efficient motor, the Core 300 captures allergens, odors, and airborne bacteria with 3 unique filters. Each piece is an essential part of the beautiful device. All it needs is a home. That's where you come in. The Core 300 covers up to 215 square feet and 20 square meters, making it perfect for medium-sized living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms. Our filters capture pollen, pet dander, as well as smoke and unpleasant odors. Choose between 3 fan speeds and 4 timer settings, depending on the needs of your environment. Want something quieter? Turn on sleep mode when it's time for bed. The Core 300 is guaranteed to make your home healthier. Levoit.
I'm going to power up the air purifier. I'm going to cycle through the 3 different speeds, 1, 2, and 3, and then I'm going to turn it on night mode, which you can barely hear. It's the lowest speed setting. This one's number 2, and I'm talking over it so you can get a gauge of how loud it is. This is number 3 in its highest setting, and while it's a little bit loud, it's really just kind of more white noise. And now for the nighttime setting. You can see in the nighttime setting, you can barely hear it. It also has a timer of 2, 4, 6, and 8 hours to auto shut off after the amount of time you select.